This is the step 1 for the treasure box project. This activity we are going to need the following tools: a tri-square, steel rule, and a pencil, and also the piece of timber. We'll use the pencil and the steel rule to mark on the piece of timber. So we're going to mark the first section. We're going to mark off 10 for waste material, and we're going to take the tri-square and hold it with our thumb towards the stock and 3 fingers on the blade, and putting the blade to the mark, we're going to trace with our pencil. Then we're going to mark the waste material, and we're going to do the same across all the sides of the timber. So we're going to hold and make sure that the blade it's aligning with the line that is coming through all the way up. So once it's there, we're going to take the pencil, hold the blade in place, take the pencil, mark the line, and we're going to repeat that process all the way through. So making sure the mark is aligning with the blade, and then just marking it through. It's very important to maintain the pressure of the thumb against the stock and the tri-square, and then put a finger or two holding the blade down so we get a nice straight line. Okay, once it's all marked, then we just mark the waste material. Now we're going to measure the first section, which is going to be 125, and then another section after that. We're going to trace the line to mark that section. Then we're going to trace a line that measures 5 millimeters down the middle. And after that, we're going to continue to trace the next section, which is also 125. So this, we're gonna mark it 125. Then I'm going to mark the waste material on this section. And then we're going to mark 125, and then again with the tri-square, we're gonna hold it in place and trace. From that line, we're gonna measure 5, and we're gonna trace another line. Then we're going to repeat the process, and the next 2 sections are going to be 150. As I have measured and labeled all my pieces, I got 125, got another section for waste material, I got 125, another 5 millimeter section for waste material, I got another 150 section, waste material again, and then another 150 section, and then waste material again. And I transfer the measurements and the waste material all throughout. And we're ready to cut.